Identifying business opportunities is a crucial step in entrepreneurship and business development. It involves recognizing unmet needs, market gaps, or areas where you can create value. Here's a structured guide to help you do that effectively. 1. Observe problems that need solving. Opportunities often lie in everyday pain points. Ask that what do people complain about often? What services or products frustrate customers? What's missing in the current market? Example, long queues at bank branches. Start a mobile money or agency banking service. 2. Study market trends and emerging industries. Follow evolving customer behaviors and industries on the rise. Use tools like Google Trends, Statista, or social listening. Pay attention to growing areas, sustainability, remote work, wellness, AI, etc. Example, rise in vegan lifestyles, launch a plant-based snack brand. 3. Look at global ideas and localize them. Many successful businesses start by adapting global models to local needs. Example, Uber inspired local ride-hailing services like Bolt in Africa. 4. Leverage your skills, passion, or network. Where do your experience and strengths intersect with a real market need? Example, a nurse notices elderly people struggle with medicine management and creates a smart pillbox app. 5. Explore untapped niches in existing markets. Sometimes industries aren't new, but there are gaps within them. Example, in the fashion industry, no one caters to plus-size athletic wear. This could be a niche opportunity. 6. Talk to your target audience. Customer discovery is powerful. Conduct interviews, surveys, or engage on forums. Ask, what's the one thing you wish was easier in your daily life or job? 7. Explore regulatory and policy shifts. New laws can create new business frontiers or sometimes eliminate old ones. For example, new recycling laws. Well, you could launch a waste management or packaging compliance service. 8. Use business model innovation. Take an existing product and deliver it in a new way, cheaper, faster, more convenient. Example, convert a traditional grocery into a mobile app with door-to-door delivery. 9. Observe what people are DIYing. If people are constantly hacking a solution for something, that signals demand. Example, people combine multiple apps to track fitness. Build one app that integrates all. 10. Analyze industry reports and gaps. Dive into reports from sources like McKinsey, Deloitte, or local chambers of commerce. Look for high demand areas, underserved demographics, and declining services needing reinvention. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for weekly strategies to grow your business and mindset, powered by Strategies for Biz.